problems at Old Trafford came from corners. Can they defend any better here? Flicked on by Matic, Costa free! And from the first corner of the game, Leicester City concede. It's Costa who puts the former champions ahead against the reigning champions.
Well, you're thinking immediately, how on earth has he got this much space at the far post?
Matic. Well, he managed to find the gap. Pedro helps it on. Hazard's in here. 2-0. The man who triggered off Leicester's title party plunges them into further despair now. N'Golo Kanté. Victor Moses. Chalobah back to Moses! Rounding it off in style. A handsome victory for Chelsea, and the champions clobber.